welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We've got a pool here with a couple of different types of valves in it, so it's a great opportunity to show you which way you need to turn your valves in order to open them the right way. This guy here, you see, has a little point on the end, and where it's pointing is where it's blocking. This is a three-way valve. It can go in three directions, so as you turn that, you turn it around, it'll block here, which in this situation is returned from the filter. You don't want that. Turn it to here, it'll block this pipe, so the water will go down that pipe. Turn it around, it'll block that pipe, so the water will come down this pipe. So where the little arrow is pointing is where it's blocked. This guy here, a bigger valve with the screws around it like this, means it can be serviced. So you can pull it apart and lube it and grease it and so forth. Again, where it's pointing here is where it's blocking. So in this instance, this valve pointing that way, it's blocking that pipe. It's in front of the pump. So the water comes up here through the valve and into the pump because it's blocked here. So again, if we open that up, turn it around like that, it's now facing the other way. So when this pump sucks, the water will actually come up that way and through because it's blocking here. So where it points is where it blocks. In this instance, if you put the blocking part to there where there's no pipe, it could draw from both pipes and then draw into the pump. And you'll get a lot of these with like a V shape on the front, but all of them are where they're pointing, the front of it is where they're blocking. So that's how to work out where these valves go. Now you would never ever want to turn this one around to here, because then of course the pump can't get any water. But you can put it here and you can put it here to draw from either pipe, or you can put it in the middle so it draws from both. So there you go, that's two different types of valves, and that does cover most of the valves, so you can work out which way to turn them to get the water to go where you want.